We have about a 20-hour drive. We have learned that we like to leave at about like 11, 12 in the morning, something like that. If we can find that sweet spot, then we end up doing the nighttime driving in the very beginning of the trip. And that's really important. It's super important that we recognize that like nighttime driving is the hardest. So if we can definitely get on top of it and get out of the way in the very beginning, we found it makes the trip go a lot smoother. The other thing that helps is that we have a system that we switch driving every 3 hours, and that helps tremendously. It really helps because by 3 hours, your brain just needs to take a break. And so we have found that it just is nice to sit and think and do whatever every other 3 hours, and really helps take the grueling side out of that long of a trip.
Mexico?
New Mexico. And slower. We are in Kansas. We are fueling up. We have about, I think, 3 hours left in the trip. We've gotten to the point where we can do this all in one shot, and that's really helped. But pulling the trailer has been very interesting. We definitely feel it on the truck, and it makes you more aware the whole time because you're trying to make sure that the load on the back is secure. I noticed that it seems to handle pretty good, and once you get in the groove, it's okay. But there's a lot of things to keep track of, and you don't want to go too fast. Just always being very aware of the back end and that you have extra weight back there. But it's been super awesome. The trailer has been pulling very good. I mean, like, I don't have any issues. Nothing's been coming undone. Everything's been staying super safe. We're checking it every single time. So, super awesome. More freedom. Just got back.
Yep.
Time to go in. Let's go see what it looks like in here.
My thing's out of whatever, so I'm gonna get the battery to light the light.
So we left everything really clean. It smells like a brand new house in here. There we go. All right, first things first. Let's get a fire going. For sure. I'm gonna need to get some kindling. Good. I'm so cold.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
They're doing the video, one match. Blazing.
Got the fire going. Now we need to unload the truck and get ready to get everything down so we can get the beds made. Let's see. So we left everything packed up there. So now we just have to pull down all of our bedding and make our beds. It's nice in here. It's not that cold.
Take all day that way. That's how we used to water the plants. Get a little swirly. There it is.
It is a 5-gallon hand sink.
Nope.
Nope, almost. All right, well, we're gonna get things unloaded and call it a night. So we'll see you in the morning. Thanks for watching, and we hope that our journey encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. And until next time, we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.